really entering a kind of new data winter, that we have limited access to data, and the data terms and conditions for being able to use data for good are changing so rapidly that it's hard for researchers and others to use data for public benefit. The data for policy community really have three key goals that they need to fulfill. And the first is changing the mindset about data. There's an idea that data is the new oil, and we need to really drill down into terms of the amount of work that it takes to get data actionable for policy insights. The second is really building capacity. That's both technical capacity and having to reinvent the engineering every time, but also building the skills capacity so more people can ask more kinds of questions. And the third is building and rebuilding that conversation about trustworthiness so that people are willing to have their data used for public benefit, that there's a way that we don't have to have a trade-off between openness in our data and privacy. I think going forward, we need to continue to really clarify what we want out of policy agendas. So advocating amongst the community of researchers will get us part of the way. We've got work to do in terms of building up the regulatory capacity to advocate for how data is shared from commercial actors, but also how governments can make the case, the value case, for why the work and investments in public data infrastructures really return value to the public.